See what we're driving. Big TRX. Hellcat motor inside around. That's what they say, right? We drifted the big old truck. Okay then. I'm a rich player by the way. I know every swag on it all like a tank. Bitch scared, yeah, like I got these bitches on the base. Don't wanna talk, man. Guys, welcome back to the video, man. You see what we're driving? Big TRX. Hellcat motor inside a round truck. That's what they say, right? Yeah, something like that. We out here with my boy Jeezy. It just got washed up by a Win the Day car wash, and we're gonna take it for a drive. We're gonna take it for a spin. This shit huge. This shit big as hell. So off-road truck, and they're supposed to eat that Raptor up, something like that. Look at the interior, man. TRX. Ooh wee, this big old screen. I mean, only certain Mopar products are worth a certain amount of money. The Hellcat Durango definitely worth over 100K. The TRX, I say the same. Okay then, okay then. Okay then. Y'all see how it started the video. All right, he can't keep up. Come on now. Look at the logos. That T-Rex logo looks sick. Completely stock. Nothing is done to this truck. You see, 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Same thing that's in the Hellcat. That's why it's called Hellcat motor inside the Ram truck. If you ain't get it, you're slow. 2 exhausts. Sounds big old mean V8. And as I said, it's completely stock. So whatever you hear in this video, that's how it sounds when it comes. Digital in the middle, and it only got 12,000 miles. My boy Jeezy basically put this thing up brand new. Harman Kardon. I like how they do the interior on this. That's why I say it's worth the money. Full Panameric roof. We'll open it up in a little bit. TRX on the seats, but yeah, full Panameric roof. The interior on it, even the back, absolutely, it's fancy compared to what I'm used to from Mopar. You know what I'm saying? If you buy a Hellcat, it's kind of like you're in a V6 the way everything looks. I'm not used to RAM, so all of this look new to me. You know what I'm saying? It might be the same thing in a normal RAM, but I doubt it. My boy said wrong. Okay then. But yeah, we're about to take this thing for a spin. 700 horsepower, all-wheel drive. My boy Jeezy did donuts in it. If we just got it cleaned up, man. Ain't no donuts. This shit look hella clean. Hella clean. You see it? Big old off-road tires. So yeah, we're gonna take it for a drive, see what it do, see what it, you know, see what it sound like. That supercharger is about to do some whining, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, man. Let's put this camera on my head, take it for a drive. Yeah, let's start that thing up. Press that thing 2 times. Okay then. Ready? We inside the T-Rex right now. Let's see how it look. Yeah, look good, look good, look good. I said we got that big old Panameric roof. Okay. Open that thing up. Let's see it. Let in the light. God said there shall be light. Oh shit, oh shit, I didn't know it was gonna do all of that. I don't want all of that. I just want thing to go back. It actually opens. A lot of time on Panameric roof. Oh, that's a buckle. Bon tequila. Bro, that's sick. Yeah, that's the piece I need. My boy Jared know how to use it, not me. Of course, guys, every time we're driving, it is to the limits. We need traction off. We need manual. First gear. Let's take it for a spin, man. We're gonna go around the block just to feel what the TRX truly feel like. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sitting high, man. I'm sitting super high. 100K high. 100K high, yo. So forward. You instantly hear the supercharger. And it stopped. That's crazy. You instantly hear the supercharger. And this truck is completely stock. It don't got no intake. It ain't got this. It ain't got that. None of that. It's completely stock. Me first. We drifted the big old truck. Okay then.
Really, you hop? Listen to the supercharger. I miss the supercharger. I haven't heard a supercharger in a minute. Listen to that shit. You feel it lean back?
It tilted a while ago.
They keep on telling me that I have traction off. I know, baby girl, I know. That's how it's meant to be driven. Ooh, that's scat wide body though. Holy shit. My boy Jesus set the speed warning to 80. Hey M4, bye M4. I'm gonna turn on this.
A while ago, he was smiling.
You get the guy in the other truck? He's like, yeah, I need one of those. There we go. See, it keeps on reminding me that I have electric stability control off. The body roll is crazy. You feel we made that turn just now?
Yeah.
Alright. Just gonna do, you know, just a little launch. Little launch real quick. Where is it? Right here. It spun up the wheels a little bit.
Yeah.
You see, every time it's telling me the electronic stability control is off, it's like warning you, telling you hello.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't made for the faint-hearted. It sounds so good.
It sounds sick.
Let me open this. Now you hear it even more. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit, them shifts sound so good. Those shifts sound so good. To get us away, I feel. Create a joint account. Okay, this thing is is crazy because you hear that supercharger so much for it being stuck. They gonna what? You gonna go around? I could have did both of y'all. Oh, we going the wrong way?
Yeah. You turn right.
You saw it now?
Yeah. And this, I think it does.
Holy shit, the shift sounds is crazy. Another right. It's crazy how it sounds, bro.
And then left.
Right here?
Yep.
The body roll? It's not like mine, it's not gonna upshift automatically. Oh.
Then why you turn this way?
Let's see. Understeer.
Right. Well, not yes, you're right.
Right this one? No. Oh no, this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This shit is crazy. You hear that supercharger, dog? We in a big old, what? 4-ton truck.
The thing is, it sounds perfect for what it is.
For how? Oh shit.
It sounds perfect.
Big boy T-Rex doing what we just did. It slides the corner. It understeers a little bit, but I guess that's because of those big old chunky tires. You can't expect too much better. So it understeers. Bruh. Let me close up that. Let me know No man, make that steel open like that. That shit crazy. That shit looks so nice. Let me know what you guys think about the TRX. I love this shit. You just hear that supercharger so much, dog. You hear that supercharger so much, and it stopped. We didn't have the windows down. When you wind on these a little bit, you hear the supercharger more. So I mean, definitely worth the 100K. Who's that? Hey, F-150, you slow, okay? Shout out to my boy GZ for, you know, letting us come down to this place, giving us the keys to the big TRX, man. Yeah, we're gonna go check out his other cars right now. So yeah, stay tuned for the videos on those. I gotta jump up in this thing. That was the TRX, man. This thing acts stupid. It acts crazy. You ain't expecting that from a big old truck, ain't it? But it does it, huh? It did the do. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Check out some of the other videos. We're gonna have some more videos coming down from here. Check out No Cash on Instagram and on the YouTubes. I'll leave a shit down below, man. But yeah, for now, later TRX.